Hey guys, Jesse Razo here once again. I got a quick training for you in 5 minutes or less. I'm going to talk with you about some things that I'm noticing, what we could be focusing on, and how we can come together to create a legendary business. So here we go. It's Tuesday. I just got back from a trip, really great trip, and talking with some potential clients, having a little downtime, so on and so forth. Apologize for missing our Monday kickoff call. What I'm going to do is I'm going to reschedule that call for the same time tomorrow. So I will send out invitations to everybody, publish it to the general tab, make sure that you're all there. If you can be there, just going to talk with you a little bit about more in depth about what it is that we're doing and what we could be creating on it go forward. So a couple of quick things. In addition to our front end production, we need to be ultra focused on back end support. So if you're not plugged into the support portal, this doesn't really apply to you, but for like Ian Main, Rena, Cyril, and myself, one of the things that we need to be doing is providing legendary support on a go forward, making sure that we go through and triage the support tickets every single day. And if you can't resolve a support ticket, make sure that you move it to somebody who can resolve it, and or move it to our project folders so that it can get scheduled and off of the support portal. The support portal is specifically designed to liaison with our customers and provide them an easy, streamlined, low friction process so they can have their support related issues handled for them in a timely manner. What I don't like to see is support tickets on there that have been aged for months, weeks, days, weeks, months, multiple months, and things of that nature. That doesn't reflect good on our support process, and it leads me to believe that something is broken. So as far as Rena goes, I'm going to have her tasked in regards to hiring some more developers because we have just a tremendous workload in regards to development project tasks and things of that nature. And they're not getting completed as quickly as I would like them to. So we're going to bring on some contractors, maybe part-time, full-time people, just to help us get caught up. With that being said, I appreciate all your support in regards to front-end development. I know that we've had a tremendous workload and you guys have been working incredibly hard, so I appreciate that tremendously. But in addition to front-end production, make sure that we're focused on back-end support. So Cyril, what I'd like for you to do is get together with Rena, come up with and or log into, you don't have to get together with Rena in regards to this, but log into Siteground and run this by Ian before you make any updates. There are some websites that are a little bit touchy in regards to updates, but what I'd like for you to do is every time you log in addition to taking a look at the support portal, make sure that you log into SiteGround and you update the core theme and plugins of websites on a regular basis. A lot of our websites are point and click updates, meaning that there is no custom coding in there, and or there's not going to be any gotchas if you go in and just update the site. Before you do so, make sure that you're conscious about backing up the site prior to that update. You can do that right in the SiteGround site tools and get those updates performed on a regular basis. I'm popping in and out of websites and I'm seeing a bunch of outdated software, which can lead to security risks, performance issues, and overall, we just want to make sure that we're updating websites on a regular basis. So in addition to that, Rena, what I would like for you to do is get together with Maine and make sure that we, what I would like to do is push out links to our WordPress maintenance agreements. If customers don't have a maintenance agreements currently for WordPress and or e-commerce, we need to sell those and get a list of people who do and do not. So let's get focused on that, making sure that we revisit those customers who do have WordPress maintenance, make sure that we're updating their websites on a regular basis. And then those people that don't, we want to make sure that we communicate with them. So if you could get a list of people who do and who do not, and let's go in and try to upsell them our maintenance agreement, which is, $14 a month, billed on an annual basis for non-e-commerce sites, and it's like $20 a month for e-commerce sites on a monthly basis. So we want to make sure that